Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Strikethrough text when checkbox is set in Excel. So let's begin. First, enable the Developer tab. Go to File menu, Options, find Customize ribbon, check mark to this Developer tab. Click OK. Then go to Developer tab, Insert from Control checkbox and draw a checkbox. Remove text and move anywhere. Press Ctrl C for copy, press Ctrl V. Apply the same process. OK, then right click on your mouse, format control, link cells. Again apply the same process, right click on your mouse, link cell. OK, then select task or column A, then go to Home tab, conditional formatting, new rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format and type value. Type to this value equal to column number B2 into true. Format tab shows strike through. Then see this result. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.